It's 6:30, just woken up, and for some reason I'm absolutely I've absolutely sweated through my pyjamas because my window wasn't open, so I've overheated and I'm just like, ugh, disgusting. So I'm gonna need a shower before I go out, but right now I need to go and have some breakfast. Gonna have some toast. .7. I'm washed, dressed, got this on because I can get this on easily after swimming. My bus is in 17 minutes, so just got to wait here until it's time to go. And yeah, I might pluck my eyebrows while I'm waiting, and then I'll set off with when there's roughly 7 minutes to the bus, just to give me time to get there and like wait at the stop and everything. Time for a swim test at Huddersfield Leisure Centre. I'm just here at the Leisure Centre. I made it on time because the bus was perfect, no delays or anything. Got a swimming costume on, just need to put my contacts in because then it's time for my swim test. So I absolutely smashed the interview and the swim test, and I'm going to be getting my casual number so that I can pick up lifeguarding shifts when I want soon. So yeah, good interview. And I got some swimming and exercising, so win-win. Now, time to go home. As you can see, it's our streets, Black Bindi, General Waste, because that's so interesting. So, we're here at the camping now, everything's set up. Got my setup, that's my mum's. This is our living area. We've got the pan boiling, I was going to say kettle, pan boiling so that we can cook our dinner. Chairs and stuff. Clothes, my clothes bags, my mum's clothes bag. my chocolate fingers because delicious. So got set up here in Beadnell Bay, so it's gone even further north. It's not really sunny or anything, but it should be fun, and I quite like camping. I'll be back home on Monday, hopefully go to the gym and stuff. I'm going to see if I can maybe run along the length of the beach because there's a beach really close by, but hopefully I can get some good footage for the subsequent vlogs over the coming days.
Time of flyby.
Yeah. Are you happy we're all set up?
Yes,
Yes, it's going to be good, isn't it?
walk around the side.
Food.
Are we fresh time after breakfast?
Food is cooking. Yes. Time for dinner. That should hopefully be nice and cooked through. Boil in a bag. That's a whole meal. Fun. Ho, ho, ho. Casserole. Minty lamb casserole with long grain rice. Hopefully it's nice. Never had it before. I'm absolutely knackered. I'm ready to go to bed. I'm really tired. We've come a long way, haven't we, Mum?
We have come a long way. So
Yeah.
what?
Set up half one. What was it, like 120 miles to the campsite?
I don't know. We didn't do a trip thing, did we? It's definitely 100 and something.
Yeah, it was a long way, wasn't it? So yeah, gonna go to bed. Gonna have a nice shower in the morning. Time to go to bed. Night. It's 8:43 on Friday. Just woken up at camp. I think I'm gonna watch Love Island because luckily the camp has Wi-Fi, so I should be able to get up to the ITV hub and catch up on Love Island because last night I was absolutely shattered. I was really tired, so I went to bed really early for me, like before 10 o'clock. I was in my pyjamas and in my sleeping bag, and yeah, so I'm gonna watch Love Island and then I'm gonna have breakfast, have a shower, and I think my mum and I, we're gonna go for a walk on the beach, so I should get some nice shots, take some nice pictures, get some footage, and just have a lovely time. Ready for the day. Woo! Showered, hair turban. Just transferred all of the videos from yesterday onto my computer and a few from this morning so that I could delete them off the memory card to put in my camera, so I've got a fresh clean slate. Just about to brush my hair, need to pluck my eyebrows, and then I'll be good to go. I think we're going to a place called Sea Houses. Look at it. Absolutely beautiful. Tasty away. We love it. Yes.
Some cooked safely.
So here we go. Some nice lunch, some toast, salami and cheese. Obviously everything is orange tinted light because of the tinted. Classically, had a nice walk back from Sea Houses along the beach. Some beautiful waves were rolling in and there were birds soaring and the sun was out. My camera battery died, didn't it? So typical, so classic. So I had to take some pictures on my phone, which are fine, my phone's a good camera, but I didn't get any footage to put in the vlog, so sorry about that. About to go get some dinner now, but hopefully tomorrow evening I'll go for a walk, hopefully with my mum. If not, I'll just go by myself because I do want to get some footage of it because it is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, time to go get some fish and chips. I'm gonna get scampi because why not, it's delicious. And it'll be nice and fresh because we're right by the sea, in a seaside area. Excited for food? Scampi, chips. No, I'm not a fan though. Pepsi Max, England match. So had a lovely dinner. I'm now in the tent and I'm watching Love Island because the campsite has Wi-Fi and I'm loving it. I was watching the World Cup game before that, but Love Island drama's good. One with a flush, didn't I? A full flush, and it's like a perfect flush as well, from like 8 to 7. Oh, love 8, love 8. It's 23:31.
Oh, we're playing for quite well then.
I'm ready for bed. Mum, you're getting ready for bed, aren't you?
Yes.
Is that your special vest to keep you warm? Yeah. My hair's in plaits and we've had a very nice day, haven't we?
Yes.
Time to go to bed.